Why does your scanner show the P0621 engine code? What does it mean? P0621 is a diagnostic trouble code for generator lamp L control circuit malfunction. It indicates powertrain control module, or the engine control module has detected a problem with the circuit that controls the generator lamp. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. Defective alternator, faulty generator control module, open or shorted wiring, CAN bus issues, failed battery. Wiring and connector issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Isuzu, GMC, Citroën, Mazda, and Fiat. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.